So I'm about to dunk this nettle branch, leaves, and stem into the compost tea vat. I have 4 aeration stones that are aerating the tea. I've got worm castings in here. Comfrey, this is comfrey here. In there I throw worm castings, comfrey, nettles, any other vital herbs that I want to reproduce the energy and the nutrients and vitamins into this compost tea. And then I just take my watering can and water the garden with this locally made, backyard made, kind of terroir compost tea for the vitality of the garden.